Hey, how are you? Yes, I am back. I am right here, right now. Channel update, Linux Ninja. Next season is happening. This is the premiere, the new trailer. Oh, I love being back. I'm rusty. I don't know if I should talk to the camera, the webcam, which I'm hopefully going to get a better camera soon because this is so grainy. I'm actually beautiful in person. Stunning. Not quite. But anyways, so what's happening? Why did I take a few months off? Well, look behind me. There's no more green screen. My amazing wife said, why don't you build a room? And well, she did. It was all her. Well, she didn't build it, but it was her idea. It's a great idea. So it's not finished, as you can see, but it's here. I can sit down after work, shoot the breeze with you guys, and have fun. I don't have to put up 2 green screens, lighting, etc. in my bedroom. So that's good. I like that. I think she likes that. And so let's kick it off. Let's make things happen. And so a few reasons why I took the break. Besides this room, I had an existential crisis of like, what should this channel be about? I do a Linux distro review or game something review or whatever, and I get a bunch of subscribers and views. I like that. I like that people like it. I do a teaching thing and hardly nobody watches it. So I am honestly, there was like a bunch of stuff that I felt like I left on the table, like systemd, AIDS verification crap. I did not give my 2 cents about that. There's a lot of stuff happening in the community that I don't speak about. And so I'm just going to do a rant playlist. Yes. And I'm just going to keep it real. I'm just going to be honest, tell you my opinion, and it's 2 cents. Everybody has an opinion. And so that's going to be fun. I'm also going to do more reaction videos to stuff happening on YouTube, Linux related, like with Linus and his Linux experience testing. There's just a lot of stuff happening, like the AUR right now, breached. So a lot of stuff that I just felt like I left on the table. I wasn't addressing. And so I'm going to do that. So that's kind of the direction that the channel is going towards. Is teaching, and then also it's going to be 50-50, I believe. Oh, I can fly. Yeah. So, and then also there's going to be an update soon about our HCE. Am I still doing it? Am I still doing it? Should you still be studying? Because Linux, Red Hat changed the certification path, and I reached out. More on that later. And Ubuntu exams, am I doing that? Am I not doing that? Who knows? Click, like, and subscribe. So I think I covered everything. Also with health-related stuff, some of you know I broke my leg last year. I've had a bunch of issues regarding that, and I have a really big blood clot in my leg. So shooting videos like this, long format, like this is short, but if I'm teaching, it might take a few hours just to record something and edit it. So I always have to put my leg up on the table. So that's also why I took a break. I had to figure stuff out regarding that. I think that's it. Also, I get a bunch of questions from people on LinkedIn and YouTube, etc. X, about like, how do I break into the field? What should I put on the CV? What should I study? What should I focus on? I've been a Windows admin, or I've been a network admin, or I want to break into the Linux field. So I'm going to start shooting a few videos about that. I think that's like motivationally going to be helpful for people. I hope so. So it's going to be a plethora. It's going to be a mixed bag, and I just kind of want to have the freedom, artistic freedom of just like, yeah, I want to do that. I want to put a video. I just don't want to focus too much on just one specific thing. Anyways, so thank you for watching. And yeah, there's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. And so talk to you later. I appreciate you all. Until next time, the Linux Ninja, the adventure begins. Season 2. Bye.